If you love Disney, you'll like this video. Happy unbirthday to all who celebrate, and welcome to another Mickey's Roundtable adventure. For this adventure, I headed to Magic Kingdom for an Alice in Walt Disney World Day. You're not going to want to miss this very exciting Mickey's Roundtable adventure. It's full of surprises. The 1951 animated classic Alice in Wonderland features many classic, iconic scenes and characters, including the White Rabbit,
I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late.
the Caterpillar,
Who are you?
the Cheshire Cat,
Oh, Cheshire Cat, it's you.
Did you expect the White Rabbit, perchance?
Oh, no.
the Queen of Hearts,
Flip their heads.
but probably the most iconic and memorable of all of the side characters in that movie is the Mad Hatter.
I'm very ready, I'm birthday
To me?
To you.
The Alice in Wonderland ride there at Magic Kingdom is the Mad Tea Party, and you get in your teacups and you spin around, and so the whole area is themed primarily to that, the Mad Tea Party. So, as I was heading on into that area of Fantasyland, who did I happen to see? Well, Alice for one. Well, she's there all the time. She's a regular meet and greet. But to my surprise, my pleasant surprise, the Mad Hatter was there as well. That's a rare one. This was the perfect day to meet the Mad Hatter and Alice because, well, it was the one day out of the year that it was not my unbirthday. It was my actual birthday, but I thought, you know what, let me go do this anyway. Because I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to meet the two of them at the same time at Magic Kingdom. And so I went and I got in the line there, and right after I got in line, the character attendant comes over and says to the folks in front of me, how many are in this party? And says, okay, this is my last party right here. I was not in the running, was not in line for that session, that meet and greet. They were going to go on a break, and then they would come back. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to wait until they come back from their break, and then I'll get my photo, and I'll do this Alice in Wonderland, Alice in Walt Disney World video. And so I just stood in line, and I made my way through, and talking to the character attendant when she came by to tell other folks, hey, you're going to have to wait till the next session. Found out it was her birthday as well, so that was kind of cool. Anyway, I don't know if because it was my birthday and we shared a birthday or what. Maybe it was because I was by myself. They managed to get me in, squeak me in to get my photos before they went on their break. So that was another surprise. From the meet and greet, then I headed on over to the Mad Tea Party ride, the spinning teacups. That is a fun ride. Actually, because I wanted to get cool video, I spun it a little bit more than I usually do. My usual strategy is to try and get the teacup to not spin at all, which is really fun. It doesn't sound like it, but it is. Anyway, but I spun it a little bit more than I should have, which was a good thing that... Well, I wanted to get a snack too, and right next door there to the Mad Tea Party ride is the Cheshire Cafe, and got myself a snack, so it's a good thing that I got the snack after the ride rather than before the ride. But yeah, so I went over there and I had a Cheshire cattail, I think that's what it was called, something like that. Not too bad, nice little snack themed to the Alice in Wonderland area that you're in. So there's not a ton of Alice in Wonderland themed stuff there. I wish there was a little bit more. Here's my idea. I'm going to share with you my idea. Right across from the Mad Tea Party there is kind of the tail end of the Tomorrowland Speedway, right when you're finishing up, when you're coming back in to park your car and get out at the end of the ride. I would love to see them, I don't know how much they could lower that. You're on the second floor, so maybe they could go down a little bit, but you could build up on top of that too. So if the end of that Tomorrowland Speedway went underground, and then above it, So then you do like they have at Disneyland Paris, and you have an Alice in Wonderland maze right there across from the Mad Tea Party. Anyway, that's my idea. Thought I'd share it here on the video. There is another Alice meet and greet at Walt Disney World over at Epcot in the World Showcase at the UK Pavilion. Very often you will be able to meet and see Alice, get a photo with her. So that was a couple of days ago that I was in the park on my birthday, on my real birthday. Later on in the evening, I met up with a friend. I got a birthday card, and very nice. That has nothing to do with the package here. The package is separate. So since my birthday was a couple of days ago, it's actually my unbirthday today. And so this is kind of an unbirthday present. And so we're going to do an unboxing, unwrapping, and yeah, this was something that I had already ordered, had nothing to do with my birthday, but for the sake of this video, I thought, let me open this up here on camera. So this is the second time that I've gotten this. So the first one I had, and I had it in the set here in my living room, and well, it stopped working on me less than a year after I bought it, and there was a 1-year warranty, so I shipped it back, and then they shipped me a new one, and so we're going to open it here, and my unbirthday present here to myself. So here, I want to do this dramatically, and I'm thinking, no, you can't do it with kid gloves. Yeah, so this is, I bought this a while ago. It's a video frame, and it is, well, let me open it up all the way here. So it is, it's a Disney frame, but so it's one of the digital frames, modern digital frames. Now I got to be careful because it's electronic. It's just like the last time I opened it, but no, I really like it. It's Disney, but it's kind of subtle. So let me show you here. Oh, so that's the top. No, I don't think there's a top. Is it? Anyway, so it's kind of got like hidden Mickeys up in the corners here, but it is a digital frame. Oh, it does go this way, and so there is an outlet. But yeah, so I had this, and yeah, and I had my bunch of Disney photos in it, and so they would cycle through and they'd go random, and then one day it would be like turned off. So I'd managed to get it back turned on, and then a little while later it would go off again, and that became more and more frequent until I couldn't get it to turn on again at all. But we'll get it going here, and then I'll upload a photo or two, and then hopefully it works. The outlet here. Oh, look at that. I don't know if I... oh, hang on. Yeah, this will work. Look at that. I happen to have an extension cord right here for some reason. So we'll do that, and then there's a... Whoops. I dropped the extension cord. Then there's a little stand here. And then I'm going to set it up here, and then you got to kind of program it. It's which side do I? Because you can do. Whoops. Yeah, no, hang on. Whoops. How does it go? I forgot how this works. How in the world? All right. This is confusing. Let me take that off. So it is. Boy, I was thinking this is going to be a short video, but if I can't figure this out really quickly, it'll be a longer video. No, it's cool because you can upload photos to it anytime you want, anywhere. It just has to be connected to Wi-Fi, and then through their app you can send photos. So you could give this to a friends, family, grandma, grandpa, whatever, and then anybody that wants to, that has the code and the connection and whatnot, can then upload photos to it. So it can be thousands of miles away, and say it's at grandma's house. You can send photos, and your brothers and sisters can send pictures of all grandma and grandpa's grandkids and whatnot, and nobody has to do anything extra or special. Oh wait, no, that's what it is. This goes like this. Aha, there, yeah. Now I'm cooking with gas. All right, so that goes like that. Boom, there we go. And then I drop my cord. So yeah, we'll hook this thing up, and then I will we'll do a transition, and then I'll upload some photos to it, and then we'll show you how it works. So there's that. And I think there's a spot in here for like a USB or like a memory stick or that kind of thing. That's the old-fashioned way of doing the digital frames. Oh, look at that! It's powering up. It's powering up. And because I record the videos on my phone, and I use the phone to jump to this, so let's do a transition here. And when we come back, we should have a photo or two or three on the digital frame here. So yeah, there's a unique number here, frame ID number that I was able to plug in, and I think I uploaded a photo here from my Alice in Walt Disney World adventure. Now I got to see the button here. I'm gonna hit next, and is it coming up? Hang on. Ooh, it's downloading. Look at that. Whoops. I can see the progress bar is making progress. Suppose because it's the first time. It seems like usually when I upload photos, they go pretty quick. Hang on. And then you can do like effects on there and borders, and because it's a Disney frame, there's Disney borders and things. And then there will be transitions between the photos, soft wipes and dissolves and different kinds of things. And no, that's not it. So yeah, no, it is really neat. I really love it. Again, I've had it before. Oh, there it is. Oh, see, now it's got the little Mickey thing up in the corner. I generally don't like that kind of thing, so I'll have to figure out how to get rid of that. And so then there was a transition, but I only have the one photo loaded in there. But so I'll do some more. But so that's my Alice in Wonderland, Alice in Walt Disney World birthday photo. And so I'll do others. I've got hundreds of different character photos that I can upload into here. And then that way I don't have to have hundreds more frames on the wall. So this is really neat. So happy unbirthday to me. And until next time, next video, so the last video, if you watch, was my Walt Disney World boat attractions, boat rides. And at the end of it, I said, the next video is going to be every cast-driven ride at Walt Disney World. Well, this is the next one, not that one, because this happened. And so I said, let me do this one instead. So now really the next one will be every cast-driven attraction at Walt Disney World. If you like this video, if you like my channel, like the button, hit the like button on this video, subscribe to the channel, and you can see when more stuff comes up. Yeah, I'm going to have to figure out how to get the Mickey off. Is that upside down too? No, I don't think so. That's weird. Why is Mickey upside down? That's weird. Anyway, I'm going to figure this out. I think it's really cool, really kind of cool. And yeah, till next time, we'll see you real soon.